Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and I'm excited to bring this video to you today because I'm going to be showing you 3 companies that will pay you to work from home irrespective of one country you resided in. So these 3 companies, and the good thing is these companies are already associated with NextEarth, which is one of the largest Web3 Metaverse with the most landowners on the internet. It's also a metaverse project. You can see here registered users over 300,000 and lands that have been minted over here 500,000. You can see the numbers of landowners, and you can actually own lands here, lands that will keep appreciating. There are lands here, there are properties, and these lands are also NFTs. For instance, I bought this land here. This land is just close to the Central Bank of Nigeria. Like, look at the Central Bank of Nigeria on the map, and I bought this NFT here. So we can see I bought this NFT for $37, and you can see it's up for sale for around $12,000. Okay, so you can actually take the earnings from these companies and buy lands here or withdraw the earnings. So I'm going to show you these 3 companies here that you should work with, and these are NFT gaming projects to be involved in right now. You don't need to, I'm going to show you all the whole process, and if you're a bit confused about how this thing works, you need to be join us on either Discord. I'm going to drop a link to our Discord and also on our Telegram group. You can see I post recent content we post on YouTube. So first company I'm going to be showing you here is called Sui Name Service. I'm going to drop the link for you to come to their quest board. What you're going to be doing here is you're going to be working. They're going to be giving you tasks to do every day, like Twitter challenges. They'll be giving you Discord challenges, like different challenges basically. So as you're working here, you'll be climbing the ranks on the leaderboard. You can see right now I'm on level 9, and once you reach level 11, you'll be able to claim something I'm going to show you here. This level 11 and claim stock, and everything you keep generating from this company. If you check the leaderboard here, you see yourself on the leaderboard. You can see this guy has XPs. These XPs are converted to what they call units. I'm going to show you the units. So if you come here to NextEarth and you come to units, you see units. You would earn these units here. You can use this unit to buy. You can say I don't have units right now, and you can use these units to purchase any land. For instance, if you come to the maps and you search for any property here, let's say you come on the map and you want to buy this 1 block of this free land here, and you click buy. For instance, you see different payments here. There you can pay with your wallet, which is your connected MetaMask, and you can also pay with your credit card, your debit card. But see here, they also have a promo code here, and they have spend units. So you can click spend units and buy this property and resell in the market for a huge profit. This is one of the companies you need to work with. So once you come here, you click quest, they'll give you different quests. Once you do the quest, it keeps adding your points here, and it puts you on a ranking. So at the every month they will do a conversion, and they'll send you units into your account, because the unit is also a currency that you can actually use to buy properties or withdraw for fiat or change for other cryptos. Okay, so this is the first company, Sui Name Service. So if you check here, you see their website, and the good thing here, you can mint your domain names here on their SNS Domains. You can mint, like if you have a website you're trying to build, you're building a game, whatever you're doing, you can actually come here and mint your name. And once you mint your name will be like an NFT, and this is a gaming protocol here. I'm telling you, this is a gaming protocol. You need to be part of this project. So let me just jump to the second company, NextEarth. NextEarth, obviously they have they also have their own quest board, and they give you different quests to actually do different quests here. You can see here you have several tasks you could do. The thing is, every of the SPs you earn from working from these 3 companies will accumulate, and you'll be able to use them on your NextEarth account to buy properties or to exchange them for fiat and exchange them for other crypto later. So, and there are several awards and rewards you will get for being an active member of these communities. That is it for the NextEarth quest board. And the last one I'm going to be showing you right now, is called Wizardland Sui. And you see Wizardland Sui also, they're like a gaming platform. You're going to earn a lot of SPs also working with this platform. You're going to earn a lot of SPs. So you just stay at home, you'll maybe just spend a couple of hours every day, be active in these 3 quest boards, gather some SPs, and you would have some units to buy properties and exchange also for crypto. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues, make sure you join our Telegram. If you want to communicate with us, you will need to join our Discord. Thank you for hanging out here with us, and see you in the next video, and bye.